Happy July 1st, Canada Day. Oh my god, that was over already. So funny, this quote. Fireworks, July 1st, Canada Day. July 4th gonna be soon for United States, but we're not in United States. Okay, what's this sound? Why it sounds so weird? There's a fly on my head. That's creepy. Oh, there's a big white spark of light. Anyways, I'm going even more far out of the school. I know is this. Oh my god, I smell the smoke. That's. Okay, that's. Whoa, it has red, yellow, green, and those. What are those for? Is it gonna be like a big bull? Here's some honking. Okay, honking is definitely not good. First and plus, finally, there's no more school, which is honestly great. Not gonna lie. How long is this? I've been holding this for 4 minutes. My hand kind of hurts, so I'm using my left. What? Oh my god, it's a bike. Anyways, audio? I actually don't know. Oh my god. I just sent us. Okay, these files just sound weird. I don't know where they, but they're fine. Sorry, background audio. Oh my. Why keep saying oh my god in all my travel videos? Probably I should stop. Not gonna lie, doing thank you for 154 subs. And finally there's no more school, which is good. So I can start uploading more YouTube videos. And yeah. Damn, that's a lot of green sparks. Wait, what else can I call it? A green firework? I mean, I guess I can call that. And it's probably over. Oh, it's not. Damn, I was extremely sad because it wasn't over. Why am I sad? Because it's not over. That should be the opposite. And why these are so small? What is that? I don't know, but I'm okay. Oh. This YouTube journey's insane. Finally, I get to record for July 1st, 2023. Yes, July 1st, 2023, around 10 p.m. This is happening. This is 7 minutes I've been holding in my hand. Plus, why there's like a doof here? What is this playground? Oh, it's much better if I had a different camera, but I guess this is fine. Oh, damn! It's a big sound. What is that sound? Creepy, but I'll let that pass. That's a lot of smoky. What else could you call it? Smoky. Let's just call it smoky. Anyways, it's probably done. For real, it's done. If it's not done, I'm holding for my camera longer. I don't know. Okay, it seems like it's done by.